Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection issues of your Tribit FlyBuds 3. This video will be useful for you when, for example, you cannot pair these earbuds to your phone, or if you have, for example, the unstable connection. So what do you have to do? First of all, just grab both earbuds and put them back to this charging case. The left and the right one. Put them to the case, and next just remember to charge them for like 20 minutes before performing the reset, and then just simply rotate your case, keep that cover open and find this button. We have to click and hold this button until these 4 indicators blinks white 4 times. So let's do this right now. Click and hold it and take a look for these indicators. Okay, and right now you can release. So right now they are in the pairing mode. As you can see, this small indicator is blinking, so what it means that we can pair them another time to our device. So you can basically remove this previously connection, go to the pair new device and select your FlyBuds 3 from the list. If you still cannot find them right here, I can recommend you to simply go back from the Bluetooth and simply restart on your phone. So turn it off, and after a few moments, turn it on back, then go to the pair new device and select the earbuds. As you can see, indicator is still blinking, so it means that we are still in the pairing mode. There we go. So as you can see, that's how you can fix connection issues of your Tribit FlyBuds 3. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.